Honorable Shri Pranab Mukherjee ji, Honorable Shri Arun Jaitley ji, distinguished awardees of this evening's function, members of the Outlook team, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Outlook team for having awarded me this prestigious award of Best Administrator. I would like to dedicate this award to the 4.5 crore people of Odisha. When I first became Chief Minister in the year 2000, Odisha was importing rice. Today, we are the third largest contributors to the public distribution system in this country. In the last 10 years, we have doubled the incomes of our farmers. And also, we have lifted 8 million of our people above the poverty line. We have concentrated on the welfare of women and our tribals. As far as women's empowerment and economic development is concerned, we now have 5 million self-help groups, women self-help groups, which is our Mission Shakti initiative for their development. As far as infant mortality is concerned, we held the lowest statistics in the country. Today we are well above the national average, and we save up to 50,000 babies' lives every year. In the year 1999, a horrifying super cyclone took place in Odisha, where 30,000 lives were lost. We have, in the last 4 years, through our disaster management initiatives, come to a zero tolerance as far as human lives are concerned, and no human lives were destroyed in Cyclone Phyllis. We have always endeavored to make more and more efforts for our state, which we hope one day that Odisha will be the leading state in the country as far as welfare and development is concerned. I would like to thank the Outlook Group for the award again, and also to congratulate the other distinguished awardees. Thank you very much indeed. Namaskar. Bande Utkal Janani.